In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Trello to Google Calendar. This handy integration allows you to efficiently sync your tasks and deadlines from Trello with your Google Calendar, providing streamlined project management and time management in one place. First, you'll want to start by navigating to your Trello board, the central hub where you've organized your tasks or projects. Once you're on your board, direct your attention to the menu on the right-hand side and look for the option labeled Power-ups. Power-ups in Trello are essentially add-ons that boost the functionality of your board. After clicking on Power-ups, you need to find the option that says Add Power-ups. This will take you to a directory of different applications that can be integrated into Trello. It's pretty straightforward, but keep an eye out for a small search bar within this directory. In this search bar, you'll want to type Google Calendar. Once you've typed it in, you'll see Google Calendar Sync appear in the results. Click on Google Calendar Sync to continue the integration process. Following your click, an option to add this power-up will be visible. Select Add, and it'll essentially attach the Google Calendar functionality to your Trello board, connecting the two platforms seamlessly. Click Add once more to confirm your selection. Double check to ensure it's properly attached. Now that the integration is in progress, you'll see a settings option appear. Click on this to get to the next step where you'll authorize the connection between Trello and Google Calendar. A new prompt will ask you to authorize account. This step is crucial as it helps Trello securely access your Google Calendar data. Ensure you're logged into the Google account linked to the calendar you wish to sync. Go ahead and click Authorize. If prompted, confirm your authorization within Google to proceed. With the connection authorized, you'll be given a couple of choices for how your Trello cards sync to your Google Calendar. Typically, options include either a two-way sync or a one-way sync. Depending on your preference for integration style, whether you want Trello updates to reflect on your calendar or both platforms to update each other, make your selection between these two options. To finalize the setup, the final button you need to click is Start. This action activates the sync, ensuring that henceforth your Trello cards and tasks are streamlined into your Google Calendar. At this point, you should see your Trello tasks popping up in your calendar, allowing for enhanced productivity and organization. There you have it, Trello and Google Calendar connected seamlessly. Enjoy managing your tasks more efficiently and staying on top of your deadlines.